Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and getting it powered up. Charge the Pocket Wi-Fi to at least 50% or keep it on USB power so setup won't be interrupted. This prevents mid-process drops. Next, insert the SIM with gold contacts facing down and the notch aligned. Use an adapter only if required. Once done, press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to boot the unit and wait for the LEDs to indicate network and Wi-Fi readiness. You now connect and configure network details. First, locate the SSID and Wi-Fi key printed on the sticker or under the battery so you can join immediately. Then, on your phone or laptop, select that SSID and enter the password. This gives you internet access while you finalize settings. After connecting, open the router's web UI at 192, 168, 8, 1 or 192, 168, 1 to change the admin password. Confirm or set the correct APN for your carrier, and save the finish by securing and optimizing the device. Update firmware through the web interface to gain stability and security fixes, then set the Wi-Fi band, enable a guest network, and configure data limits to control usage. Once saved, test browsing on multiple devices to confirm throughput. If you encounter no signal or frequent drops, reboot the unit, reset the SIM, verify the APN matches your carrier, and move to a higher window or outdoor spot. These steps resolve most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.